Jagadisha Hare Swami.
The answer is going to be on the legal reasoning that you're using to come to that conclusion. So that will be for 5 marks, judged 5 marks for 10 questions each. Namaste ji, namaste. Welcome to courtroom. So NLS has finally notified their entrance exam syllabus, pattern, the way of admission, reservation, everything on their website. This is a short detailer on what is already posted on their website, but in slightly more detail. So to understand the structure of how this examination is going to be taking place, the question paper will be divided into part A and part B. So this is pretty much DULLB with CLAT ka tadka. You can say that, the prep is like this. So from part A of the question paper, based on the marks that people get, and those will not be counted, part A of the question paper will remain as a qualifying entrance test, or basically you can say it will act as a screener to eliminate most of the people who will be taking this examination by leaving 300 odd people, because they have said that we will be keeping out 5 people per seat for an assessment to be done in part B of the question paper, out of which 150 odd students will be selected for the interview stage, because they have said that we want to call out 2.5 students for one seat each. So we are going at 150, and then out of those 150, 60 odd final selections will be made in the NLS examination. So part A and part B will be split in 140 marks. We'll just get to what all is there, and 10 marks will be reserved for the interview. So in all, there are 150 marks, and the question paper is for Ded Ghanta, that is 150 minutes, to solve out part A and part B, and you have to necessarily attempt both. The top 300 from part A, unka part B assessment की जाएगी, and out of those, they will be reduced, the list will be reduced to 150, and then out of those 150, 60 will be finally chosen. Hopefully that is clear. So now we go into the assessment of what all syllabus are they notifying and how do you exactly prepare for this. So question paper goes to part A and part B. So those 140 marks, 10 marks is reserved for the interview. 140 marks will be split into 75 marks for part A. So they are primarily MCQs. Plus 1 minus 0.25 marking scheme, that is standard in CLAT. Even in DLB is pretty much the same thing, 4 and 1. So basically we are deducting the 1 oblique 1 divided by 25 marks, 1/4 of your marks for every negative answer. So qualifying marks, this will just act as a screener. It won't be counted in your final rank list. So part A is just to eliminate most of the competition. Then finally we go to part B. So out of these 75 MCQs, then part B is 65 marks are reserved for subjective questions. And what are those? We'll just get to that. And out of those, 150 students will be chosen. So out of part A, we are leading to 300, then eliminating 150 more, and then coming down to 60. So the final marks will be judged, or the final rank list will be appearing based on part B's score. So 65 plus 10, those 75 marks के basis पे जिसका जितने भी number मिलेंगे उस हिसाब से the rank list is going to get prepared. Hopefully that is clear. The date of the examination is 24th of April. The last date to fill the form is 26th of March. The forms aren't out as of yet. Now what do you do? How do you prepare? And what exactly should be the way to prepare for this exam? Because the seats, any which way, if you actually end up calculating the number of seats that are available to the unreserved category, because the reservations are huge, you will find that 9, 12, 15, I really don't know, I haven't calculated, but the seats are in this range only. So that will be the unreserved category seats. Part A will contain comprehension for 25 marks. So reading comprehension, expect legal style passages. At this note, at this juncture rather, I would like to point you to an exam that happened in 2020 by NLS called the NLAT. So this is NLSAT. It was NLAT when NLS tried to break away from CLAT because CLAT was being needlessly delayed again and again. This was during the first COVID time. So they issued a lot of sample papers. Expect sample papers to be issued here as well, but those NLAT papers I will provide to you. बस just अभी आगे मैं बताता हूँ कि कहाँ पे क्या link. I'll just compile all those papers that I have from 2020 because they will give you a very fair idea of NLS's thinking process, because they crafted out an examination on their own, and that route that they took is pretty similar to this, as in it's not a 3-stage entrance level process, of course, but the questions, you will get a very fair idea of what kind of reading comprehensions can you expect, what kind of legal reasoning questions that can you expect. So 25 marks. Current affairs are for 25 marks. This should be those standard current affairs 25 marks, but this is the eliminator round. Critical reasoning is 25 marks. Now CLAT, NLS, NLUs, all are very, very fond of critical reasoning. As such, they have said it will include legal reasoning and basic logical reasoning and legal aptitude for 25 marks. So you can expect those legal reasoning, principle, fact type questions, but not in that format, because that format is pretty much outdated for today's examinations. Logical reasoning will be standard, but critical reasoning, what is the author assuming? What is the author's assumption? Weakening the argument, strengthening the argument, because NLUs just love that stuff. All right. So this is again DULB preparation core. Current affairs remain. Comprehension also remains. Slightly legal aptitude में अब we really don't know legal aptitude के अंदर ही legal reasoning के अंदर और जाते हैं, पॉलिटी वगैरह पूछते हैं कि नहीं, because they haven't really said anything about it. तो DULB की प्रिपरेशन अगर आप कर रहे हैं तो उसके साथ साथ आप क्लैट का तड़का लगाना पड़ेगा थोड़ा सा, for to take a solid shot, because well statistics are मतलब with the tiny amount of seats that are there, statistics are against you to begin with, but still we have to take the very best shot that we can. All right, so this well then gets you to part A. Now if you manage to reach part B, because they will be eliminating most people, they will be selecting the top 300 जितने भी लोगों के, अब टॉप कट ऑफ तो इस टाइम तो नहीं बता सकते, बट 300 के जो टॉप 300 होंगे पार्ट ए में से वो निकाल लिए जाएंगे और उनके पार्ट बी पढ़े जाएंगे, बिकॉज दीज आर सब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस. 50 marks are reserved for legal reasoning, that is 10 questions into 5 marks each. Now they have maintained one or rather couple of terms that prior knowledge of law is not expected. So these will be basically questions on the lines of legal reasoning that is asked in the CLAT and AILET, in which again prior knowledge of law is not expected. So these will be slightly sort of legal sort of puzzles in which you are being asked to solve out 10 questions of 5 marks each. So they will tell you the law, then they will cook up a situation and ask you what should be the ideal solution or the ideal your decision or your judgment to that situation, what is going to happen. So presume, let us say that they tell you that hitting someone on the head with a remote is let's say assault. They will tell you this, so you need not know prior IPCK Fande on assault, battery, etc. And then they will give you some certain complicated scenario in which the remote is involved or isn't involved, and then they'll ask you explain. So the stress in the answer is going to be on the legal reasoning that you're using to come to that conclusion. So that will be for 5 marks, judged 5 marks for 10 questions each. So primarily part B goes to legal reasoning. Then they are asking for 15 marks, they will give you one passage on current affairs. So now this is again very similar process to what they do for CLAT new pattern current affairs these days. Obviously they are not asking you to write an essay there, but it's pretty much the same thing. It's just that for the 12th graders, they will not be asking those passages. They'll give the passage and ask fill in the blank type questions. But herein, 1 out of 3 topics they will give you, like for example India's commitments at COP26, broad current affairs for you to write on an issue, because they have used a couple of terms called well structured essay. So that is what they'll be evaluating you on, in which you can choose any 1 out of the 3 topics that they provide you and write a 500 word essay. So pretty much 2 to 4 sheets of part B. All right. So, and I'm not going into the merits, demerits, all of that is up to you to decide whether this is a good thing or not. I really don't care about that, all of those debates. So now how do you prepare? First and foremost, CLAT and AILET become your best friends. The past year questions of these examinations, I'll leave the link to the question papers down below, and the past year papers of this, in fact what I'll do is, forget that, I'll leave a link to the question papers, forget all of that. I'll compile 2020 and 21 K CLAT AILET. I'll put in the NLAT papers as well in the very same file, but it's going to take me 2 to 3 hours post you watching this video. So, and I'll put the NLAT के question papers. Now I'll put the link on the आपका क्या बोलते हैं Instagram का जो हमारा जो कोर्ट रूम का जो पेज है, you can just look it up around 8:39 tonight when I'm shooting this. You will find a link here. Basically, in the bio, we will post the one compilation of pretty much everything. जो CLAT, AILET और NLAT के papers in one combined files for you to do those papers, because practice those are मतलब ready made आपका सामान बना पड़ा है. उसमें legal reasoning के questions भी हैं, reading comprehension के भी questions हैं. Just solve all of them out if you really want to take a very good chance at cracking this exam. And we will be introducing in our online coaching program for DULLB, the price for which is set to increase after 31st December. So this is our annual thing. We don't use any coupons etc. for birthday, happy Diwali, Holi वगैरह कुछ भी नहीं हम करते. 31st December तक it is mostly discounted. We'll be introducing one module dedicated to this exam January onwards, and then obviously that's going to take a lot of work. So the price increases. Usually our annual prices increase after 31st of December. Now you can very well prepare on your own from self preparation, just letting folks know. So in the DULB program only, we will be putting a specific module for NLSAT. तो ये सारी फाइल आपको यहाँ से मिल जाएगी. बट your best friends for self preparation, we're doing self preparation. CLAT, AILET are your best friends. The past year questions will give you a very fair idea of what to do, what to expect, and the lines of question, as in the on the lines which they'll design the questions, you'll get a very fair idea from the sections of these very exams, because well, we are all biased towards our own past, and well, they are experts for these examinations. They will be designing questions most likely based similar sort of topic sets, similar sort of logical reasoning questions, similar sort of legal reasoning questions based on these papers. So यही है वो तड़का which goes alongside your DULB की preparation. ठीक है जी, hopefully this has been of help to you. वैसे तो website पे पढ़ा ही था, but I usually we have to explain all of this out on YouTube. Alright, hopefully I haven't missed out any detail. The qualifying marks will be 45%. I think that's what I missed out. Yeah, and that's about it. Remember, part A ke qualifying marks will not be counted. So the first thing is getting into that top 300 to get the part B assessed, to get into that 150 list, to finally make it into that 60 list, provided that hopefully we have some benefits of reservation. Unreserved guys, please check how many seats are there and then play the game accordingly. Well, because every examination you have to understand the structure of what the game the university is trying to play to get a better shot at it. All right, wishing you all the very best for this exam. Whenever the forms will be out, we'll obviously notify on Instagram, YouTube. This is our video YouTube पे तो आ ही जाएंगे, तो not to worry about anything. And again, take a good solid shot. Don't worry about the seats etc. Take your best shot that you can. Practice out CLAT, AILET and NLAT के papers. NLAT के papers 2 घंटे में, whenever you're watching this on whenever I'm shooting this. आज क्या date है? Aaj is I'm shooting this at 6 o'clock in the evening. Should be up by 8 to 9 p.m. If you're watching this after that, obviously they'll be available on our Instagram page. The link to those is in the description. Wishing you all the very best. Take care. Bye.